I'm Tiffany Elizabeth and I make product review and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I am going to be talking to you about how to know what panty liners are for you or what works best for you when it comes to panty liners. Let's get into it. If you are not new here, you already know that my go-to panty liners are these right here, these Carefree brand panty liners, you guys. I swear by these things. I will insert other videos similar to this video, and also be sure to check the description box for other videos like this. I have a number of reasons why these are my favorite. Let's talk about quantity. So when it comes to finding out what panty liner works best for you, you want to think about budget. So what can you afford? I like these because this is the 93 count pack, which is gonna last me quite a while. As I've mentioned in other videos like this before, I wear panty liners on a daily basis. The only time I don't wear them is if I'm on my period, and that's because on my period I'm gonna wear a pad. But anyways, that's not what this is about. If you don't wear them a whole lot, you might not need 93 panty liners, you know what I'm saying? So you want to look at not only the quantity, but the quantity will depend on the price, and the price will depend on the quantity. Also, it's all about preference. I personally prefer long everything. Long panty liners, long pads, because I just like the idea of full coverage. So are you the type of person who likes them long? Some people like them shorter. So you want to take that into consideration. You might have to try out different brands because you want to ask yourself, does this panty liner, does the material rub off onto my skin? Unfortunately, some brands make their products like that. For some people, that's an issue. Honestly, it don't even gotta be a cheaper brand, just depending on how the panty liner is made. Sometimes like the cotton or whatever they use to make it can rub off on your skin. I don't even know how to explain like what that is, but like if you know, you know. I guess I could compare it to toilet paper, because I've had experiences where I've used a cheaper brand of toilet paper, and like when you wipe, like some of the toilet paper is on you. Like, does that make sense? Like, I don't know. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You can almost instantly tell the difference in materials, and it's not like a plasticky feeling, if that makes sense. Like, you know, like that's this type of stuff you're gonna ask yourself. And like also the flexibility, like are you gonna be sitting down most of the day? Do you move around a lot? Like you want to make sure that you have a comfort level or the type of feel that works with your lifestyle. So it might take you trying different brands, and you can buy panty liners, you guys, that come with like, they make like literally small packs, like a lower count. So maybe you can like test them out and see what you like and what you don't like, you know? So another question you want to ask yourself is, does it cause odor? Believe it or not, some panty liners or even pads, you can wear them and it doesn't fully absorb what it needs to be absorbing, so it can cause an odor. They make panty liners literally designed, it just has built-in like odor control. That's another reason why I just spilled like a whole bunch of them. But that's another reason why these are my go-to, because like it has like 8-hour odor control for one, and two, it makes me feel dry. Like that's another question you have to ask yourself when finding the right panty liner for you, or even a pad. They work hand in hand. If you are wearing something that genuinely does not feel comfortable, I suggest trying a different product until you find the perfect fit. It's like Cinderella Cinderella in her shoe, you feel me? Overall, you just want to make sure you are getting your money's worth no matter what is best for you. How often am I going to be using these, which will determine on like what you need to get. You guys get my gist. I hope this video was helpful for you guys because I feel like this was a struggle for me. I think I'm just like overthinking it. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.